Okay, so let me show you how I go about creating this painting. I'm starting with the texture and creating a few shapes and edges here, small features like that, slowly adding darker and darker pieces to it. After I get the texture in, I add a little background color to it, usually a form of a transparent flesh tone to preserve the texture. As we get to the outside of the face, we start framing it with the hair. I'll add a layer of hair color and then I'll scratch it back in with a blade or one of the other instruments that we have to create hair. Adding the background completes more framing. That kind of gives it a more finished look. Now I'm working down the face. Let's go down to the bottom around the beard and let's start working that. We'll develop that with background hairs first, then adding other hairs on top of that and colorizing them eventually. Now I'm adding the neck, and let's add the shirt and some outlines for the shape of the jacket and shirt, and there we go. We're getting kind of a completed image there, almost complete anyway. And there's an overall look of our great model. Aidan Brady did a great job, and also thanks to the photographer Edo Dreams. Okay, thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. I'm Drew Blair.